Are you dreaming of a magical Disney vacation but worried about the cost? You're not alone. A trip to Disney can be expensive, especially for a family of 5. But what if I told you there's a way to experience all the magic without draining your savings? In this video, we're breaking down 10 smart money-saving hacks that will help you plan an unforgettable Disney trip on a budget. From scoring the best ticket deals to cutting food costs, we've got you covered. Now let's get started. 10. Plan your trip. During off-peak seasons, timing is everything when it comes to saving big at Disney. Avoid peak seasons like summer, holidays, and spring break. This is when prices skyrocket and crowds are overwhelming. Instead, aim for mid-January to early March or late August to mid-November for the best deals on tickets, hotels, and flights. Disney also uses dynamic pricing, meaning weekday visits are often cheaper than weekends. Plus, shorter wait times mean you'll experience more rides without paying extra for Genie Plus or Lightning Lane. Check Disney's historical crowd calendars before booking and watch for discounts on off-peak travel packages. A little flexibility in your dates can save you hundreds of dollars. Up next, let's talk about where to stay without breaking the bank. 9. Where to stay. Budget-friendly accommodations. Disney resorts are magical, but they come at a premium. If you're on a budget, consider off-site hotels, vacation rentals, or Airbnbs. Many offer free shuttles to the parks and cost half the price of Disney hotels. Still want Disney perks? Opt for value resorts like Pop Century or All-Star resorts. They're cheaper than deluxe resorts, but still come with early park access and Disney's transportation system. Another hidden gem? Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground. If your family enjoys the outdoors, you can camp for a fraction of the cost. When booking, use deal-finding websites like Priceline or Expedia and check for AAA, military, or credit card discounts. 8. Save on park tickets. Park tickets are one of the biggest expenses, but don't pay full price. First, skip third-party resellers that seem too good to be true. Stick to authorized sellers like Undercover Tourist, Sam's Club, or Disney's official website. If you're visiting for multiple days, multi-day passes offer the best per-day value. But do you really need a park hopper? If you're on a tight budget, sticking to one park per day can save $60 or more per ticket. Florida residents, military families, and 8OA members can get exclusive discounts. Check eligibility before booking. Finally, keep an eye on special promotions like Kids Play Free or discounted tickets during slow seasons. 7. Travel smart. Flights and transportation hacks. Getting to Disney doesn't have to be expensive. If you're flying, use Google Flights or Skyscanner to find the cheapest fares and set price alerts to book when prices drop. Midweek flights, especially on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, tend to be cheaper. If you live within 8 to 12 hours of Orlando, consider driving instead. It could save your family hundreds on airfare. Once you're there, skip the rental car. Disney offers free transportation, including buses, boats, and the Skyliner. If you're staying off-site, look for hotels with complimentary shuttles. Otherwise, use Uber Lyft instead of costly rental cars and parking fees. 6. Food and dining on a budget. Food at Disney is notoriously expensive, but you don't have to overspend. Bringing your own snacks and drinks is a game changer. Disney allows outside food, so pack protein bars, sandwiches, and refillable water bottles to avoid overpriced meals. For dining, stick to quick-service restaurants over sit-down meals, as they offer big portions for lower prices. If you want the Disney dining experience, share meals. Many portions are large enough for 2. Avoid buying drinks. Free water is available at any counter-service restaurant. Also, look for off-site dining options. A meal at McDonald's or a nearby diner costs half of what you'd pay in the parks. 5. Free and low-cost Disney experiences. Disney magic isn't just in the parks. There are tons of free activities your family can enjoy. Explore Disney Springs, where you can watch live entertainment, visit the Lego store, and even enjoy free samples at Ghirardelli. Check out the resorts. Many offer movie nights under the stars, campfire sing-alongs, and hidden Mickey scavenger hunts at no cost. The boardwalk is another hidden gem with street performers and breathtaking views. Want a taste of the fireworks without a park ticket? Head to the Polynesian Resort Beach or the Ticket and Transportation Center for a perfect, free view of Magic Kingdom's fireworks. 4. Maximize Genie Plus and Lightning Lane without overspending. Skipping long lines sounds great, but is Genie Plus worth the extra cost? The answer: it depends on your park strategy. For Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios, Genie Plus can help you avoid 2+ hour waits, but for Epcot and Animal Kingdom, it's not always necessary. Prioritize rides with virtual queues or rope drop your must-dos instead of paying extra. If you do buy Genie Plus, book your first Lightning Lane the second it opens at 7 a.m. to get the most value. Also, use single rider lines. They're free and often cut wait times in half. A little planning can save you money without missing out on top attractions. 3. Souvenirs and shopping. Save big on Disney merch. Disney merchandise is tempting but pricey, and those gift shops are everywhere. Avoid impulse buys by getting Disney-themed clothes and accessories before your trip. Stores like Target, Walmart, and Amazon sell Disney gear for a fraction of the price. For park souvenirs, consider pressed pennies. They cost just 51 cents and make for a fun, budget-friendly keepsake. If your kids love plush toys or Mickey ears, check outlets like Disney's Character Warehouse, where official Disney merch is heavily discounted. Set a spending limit before your trip and give kids a budget. This way, they'll choose wisely instead of wanting everything. 2. Hidden costs and budgeting like a pro. Even with careful planning, unexpected costs can sneak up on you. Parking fees, memory maker photos, and last-minute add-ons can quickly eat into your budget. First, budget for tips. Table service restaurants and housekeeping gratuities add up. Next, avoid ATM fees by bringing a preloaded Disney gift card to manage spending. Rain is common in Orlando, and ponchos inside Disney cost a fortune. Bring your own from the dollar store instead. Also, set aside an emergency fund for surprises like lost items or medical needs. 1. Final money-saving tip. Bundle and stack discounts. Want to maximize savings? The secret is stacking discounts. Instead of buying everything separately, bundle tickets, hotels, and dining through trusted sites for exclusive deals. Use cashback apps when booking flights and hotels. It's an easy way to earn money back on purchases. Also, check if your credit card offers Disney rewards or travel points to cover some costs. Gift cards are another trick. Buy discounted Disney gift cards from Target or Sam's Club for instant savings. By stacking these small savings, you can cut hundreds off your total trip cost without sacrificing the magic. And there you have it, 10 powerful ways to experience Disney without breaking the bank. With smart planning, the right discounts, and a little strategy, you can give your family an unforgettable Disney trip without the stress of overspending. Which tip did you find the most helpful? Drop a comment below and share your favorite money-saving hack. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe.